me scared of these people where me born and grown in Jamaica. My experience towards the boys and girls, them really dark and illiterate. If you're kind to them and loving to them still hurt you. You don't want worse than that.
Yes, yes. At the bad ras, the natty, the Congo dread. They say it's not a rasta. It means a dreadlocks. Peanut Dread has some funny videos that I'm going to share so you can laugh while I laugh. Let's get into it.
That's how you have to go through to keep up the man.
A woman, yeah. I know, say, me see, me know, you know. Me see a woman come from place and say, him and the man when me and the cousin. And then go ask him whether if he can give him money. And he said, then you know, man. Right? And when he say something, I say, rascal, yeah. And him body cock, you know, man. And he look fat, you know, man. And just when me hear him say, you go ask the man for money. And the man say, then you know, man. Right? Me say, rascal, he look like him. I mean, like, me look, you know. And me say, then, daughter, John, know me like how you look, you know. Hey, boy, me like how your body cock, you know, man. Me like you, you know. Right? And from me hear, from the man who did hear me start to them sitting there, you don't know what man say. Peanut Dread. Me I leave, you know. Me say, what a good man, man. The rascal man figure out, you know. Say, it look like me, I try something, right? Then
The cameraman, every night, every day, But this your Peanut Dread a girl, you know? Peanut Dread no fi draw. So man fi move like how the other man a move. Man recognize the Peanut Dread a draw for the woman. And I say Peanut Dread me a cut, you know. I say figure brother, you cannot say stick around. Get the drift. Something I'll go down. Cut, brother. Tell me say you look more lost. Now come catch up. Jesus.
you want to kill me, you know. And the man get up and
slide.
Yeah, and go away. And when you go away, me say, then like how you ask the man for $1,000 and you don't get it, right? Come no man, me like you, no man. Me go give me a man. Make you the $1,000 man. And the girl don't hit you, know. Me blood clot a choose. Me saying come in and me place and bend down on his knee, you see? Yeah. And cock out him bum and me turn up a gun in the rasta. Right? And when hood, me it a go vroom. Me say, oh. And when you turn your bottom up in the air, here I go down in the rasta. See? And me I say, then wait a make nice so. Me must say when the man a grind, he must say make nice. Me say, Lord me God. And we get through this so and hold on. You see after that.
Yo, you see after that, she never come back and check Peanut Dread because she get the $1,000 and cut. That's it. Peanut Dread never like his sound in machine there. That was an ear sound. Oh my God. More of Peanut Dread. Before we go into more videos, just like your video for me, yeah? Alright then.
Clean up your house before you clean up mine. You understand? People always watch you and you're a problem. After film problem bigger. And before you go try solving problem. And you, your problem, you watch and want to give you advice in a rasta. See, bad things happen to you. Man, we wouldn't kill nobody. I said, Dread, if I may kill him, you know. I no good advice, man. What you really saying to me? You see how much of you want to put me now? Why you going to encourage me now and say, that couldn't happen to you, you don't kill? After if you happen to you, wouldn't kill, right? And that threaten me now, so if you go kill people, when that cannot solve the problem, and more problem that for me, right? And I hit me say, enough man, make me tell them things that man I do me now. And they must say, if I him and kill him. Me say, what kind of advice that, brother? But you another one, you know mean me no good. Lock him up and get some recompense. Making people recommend you, then you're not going to quota making get you, I say you get benefit. Kill him, you still not get your money, right? You have to go live with that, the in your fucking head say you did kill people, right? When you're ready to meditate, I come up, and you're not going to like it, it's going to bother you, yeah? That's why enough man kill and then get haunted, because if you kill one and get away with it. Jesus, God in the day, guarantee himself, another one kill him. Verse go kill two and get away with it. Jesus got him and get perfect. Yeah, and he never stop till him kill him too. Because you can't kill off the world. It don't make sense say you go start killing, yeah? You would go and just kill, tell them kill for your ass too, yeah? Because you can't kill off the world.
So true, Peanut Dread. Not every little conflict, every little mouth with meat should lead to violence. and taking somebody's life, how does that solve your problem? And it's a very good point. Cause pre this now, a man them a choppy line, yeah? And according to you, the man style you. If you get 10 and you only get 8, you pay somebody 2, figure off the man for the 2 where you think say our claim say style you. Make that make sense. Now, blood is on your shoulder, you can't sleep at night, somehow no, cause someone are wicked and they still can't sleep. Plus, how you gonna get paid the amount that he owed you? He's no longer here. You see, it doesn't make any sense. Why you gonna off somebody because who you are, they style you? How are you gonna get paid? Think about it. Yeah man, lock them up, police officer. I think bring them in. Send in the come for them. That means that they're no longer with us. Yeah man. Continue Peanut Dread.
So me don't know when you say you take up killing, what you say you do. You have your teeth and cut your one throat, yeah? And separation is knocking at your door to come in by here, right? So don't tell me about no killing. I live it, yeah? Yes, Natty, because either you do or die. And I cannot afford to die, because I know when nobody they gone, right? Me have to try do to keep up. But it's a hard road to ras, boy. I don't know why must I carry such a heavy load, you know me, Virgin, because you can't walk a ras clad. You will just walk to a mention and stop the ras clad, right? I work as your leisure, and when you feel like, right? So you got this piece of paper here. Jesus God. You know when you hold before them get like a privilege. I wicked this up that again. Here, you need privilege for all now you're 20, right? You know you're 30. That you can inherit it. And when you hold before them, say, get like a pension, oh God. That time you can't add the to ras clad, you understand? Well, I mean, that's no human being backward and wicked, woman. Right? And when you hold, see they know me say me a build house. When me a go inherit it. And who no go through the torturing when me go through no go come and inherit it. After nothing hand down to me, me must burn out my blood clotted to make people come get life easy when me never get none. Then that's how me kind. He has God and that me see happen. Yeah? And that me see happen, you know. Because right now me know me breathing. But nothing hand down to me. Me not supposed to hand down to nobody because me a no God. Yeah? We are feelings, right? And then never hand down to me, me never get no help. And people say me fi burn out my blood clotted now. Right? We make privilege for people. We no go through no torturing like me. The same thing me go through, you better face that blood clot too.
Listen, Peanut Dread dark, angry, cross, but he always makes some valid point. And I understand his line of thinking. Mine is a bit opposite when it comes on to handing down and leaving stuff. Yes, some parents never have it and then gonna have you, so they don't have nothing to give to you, so you have to, how Americans don't say it, get it out the mud. But me, growing up, me understand certain things. And that's the reason why the white people didn't have life. It seemed like they have life on easy mode. And not really easy mode. It's just that they didn't think about generational wealth. And most of us black people, we don't think that way. We're very selfish. We think about ourselves. We think about, no, we're not thinking about our great-grandkids. Them white people think about them great-grandkids. You will watch a video and if you start think about your child, your kids, and your great-grandkids. So you're not only building for yourself, you're not only establishing for yourself, you're not only saving for yourself, but you're saving for future generation from your offspring. You see me I say? So what I do now, honestly, it's not even for me. It's for my kids and their kids. But Peanut just said, nope, nah do that. And who can wrong him? Because he said nobody never give him nothing. Anyways, we'll move forward. Beg you like the video, man. Like the video so I can earn something to put aside for my kids and the kids and the kids and the kids.
Peanut Dread, you see my last one phone, yes sir?
What kind of phone?
It's a Nokia 3310. You know I feel like I go and shot you and friend them?
What color?
One black phone.
It's a blue phone. Me see him with it, not a black phone.
I need the phone, you know. Come here, go on party them. Josh, you got there, intense.
Young badness.
And 450.
What are you really saying?
Yeah man, it's a big event, you know. Big girl got there, fat and maga.
Hey, I'm here, you know.
Peanut just say, me and you, you know. Peanut just me and you and him, I three away a roll. Because the party look like he got shot from 2020. Me I reach out with my pocket empty. Anyways, we're moving forward. More of the Natty Dread combo.
Rasta, I live at a home and there's a old woman, you know. Where? Hasn't got him in bed. The grandpitney them have to go wake him. Near mommy. Oh God. Has mommy go in bed? Mommy start up asleep. You hear me go. And then run in there and go wake her. When they wake her, they say if they left her in if it go on so she maybe stumble in her sleep and die. So when they wake her and ask mommy, what happened to you? Mommy say my video now Chuck a turn over with him and how bull car run him down and I hit me him a go say no my brethren, right? So like me I say, oh, that's why some people go sleep and not wake, you know. Anyhow, this shit overcome me and sleep maybe when I wake, you know. Yeah.
I second dream video this me I do with Peanut Dread in the past couple of days. Yeah man, dream is a serious thing, it's a dangerous thing too, you know man. My dream say me I spit, you know. Hey, me spit sweet, you know man. Too. I'm looking at my bed, me spit for me what you call it, my pillow. Bun me, you know man. But them say you're more than likely if you have a dream with a nightmare or regular dream when you're sleeping on your back. So, me have quite a few incidents when me sleep on my back. Yeah man, it don't seem like say you have fight dope in your dream or all kind of thing and you can't breathe. It happened to me man and people have to wake me up. But I don't know dope in me there dream. Me just can't me see everybody else hear everything but me just can't wake up with that thing. I don't know. But me not think me there go so. Them say me there make funny noise. But me see them. And them I say, yo, lost. And me I say, help. Help. I'm going to tell a story one of them there. On the podcast channel. If you don't say you don't like podcast business. Anyways. Careful on the sleep on the back.
You know my mother, you know my father, you know my brought up, you know the you only hear, you don't know nothing, I don't know you, you know. You don't know me. You don't know nothing about me. You don't know my mother, my father, my brother, my sister, me and you guys go together. With the rascal you know about me. And I tell people about you know me, you're bumbo clad. Me don't know nothing about you, you know. I don't know you, you know, man. And you don't know nothing about bumbo clad. Me and you go tell people say you know me. You know your pussy clad. You know what? You know the little idiot man you name out, you. Yes. I say you prepare man for your pussy. Man I prepare you for your pussy. I dead you won't be dead enough.
Yeah, fish man.
Go fish. Me now you know, me a pimp, you know. 5 women me a pay myself and me collect, you girl? Learn that.
Oh, yeah, girl.
Me say you never get a cent. Your name shit like dog.
Yeah,
You have to rub and give me. Me not rub and give you.
You have to rub and give me. Me not rub and give you. Peanut Dread say my pimp. You have to go sell that ranking meat. Get him money and can go and get him. Listen. Don't argue with Peanut Dread. Don't chase with Peanut Dread. Whether you're a man or a woman, you're gonna lose. This man don't care about nothing. The only thing he care about is in bike, in peanut, in money, and in house. Me don't even think Peanut Dread care about vagina. Anyways, we've come to the end of another video. Thanks for watching. Me asking if you like the video now. Share the video. Subscribe if you haven't and click the notification bell so you do not miss a video. Peace. Stay safe. God bless.